with BeCozi.net is here. BeCozi.net and BeCozi.com is an American website with the biggest collection of chunky yarns for hand knitting. Today I will be showing you how to make this cute sunflower pillow. And as you can see, it has eyes and a mouth, but this is optional. You can add them or you can remove them, and then you will just have very simple but really beautiful sunflower pillow. Look at this beauty. So what you will need to do first you will need to create this round pillow with our cinnamon color chunky chenille, one skein, and you will need a pillow insert. I use 12 inches pillow insert. You can buy it on our website in the accessory section, or you can use any stuffing you have at home, like from the old pillow. So how to make it, I have a few videos showing how to make a round pillow. I will put a link underneath the video. You can click on it, you can go to my video, original video, where I'm showing how to make a 12-inch round pillow. And then when you have it done, then you will need half skein of yellow color to make beautiful petals. So this video will be showing you only how to make petals, how to add them to the round pillow. So if you have yarn ready and the pillow ready, let's get started.